a trap now.
Why don't we run away? Why don't we run away? Why don't we run away? Find a place so far away. Why don't we run away? Why don't we run away? Why don't we run away? Find a place so far away. Why don't we run away? Why don't we run away?
Yo, shout out to the GoPros for being this cool. Oh wow. Suppose he's leading me into a trap now. He's like the bait to get the big meat in.
Yeah.
Big no ma'am. No ma'am.
I'm not coming, buddy. Huh? Coming back. Coming back. Flying. Swimming. I'm just happy I'm capturing it. Yay, yay. I just want to get to see it on the water.
We're about to leave the cave now. I'm so happy I was able to capture that footage of the bird exiting the cave. It's really interesting to me that he was able to move so fast despite that his wings were so wet. This right here is called fire coral, and you want to stay clear of this whenever you're out in the ocean because the cuts and the sting you get from this when you come in contact with it is excruciatingly painful. So be cautious whenever you see this type of coral. This is what I would call the rough side of Bird Island, the side that most persons never get to experience. For good reason, of course. Why take the rough path that can give you seasickness versus having a smooth journey? But of course, I'm a curious George and I wanted to capture a coastal view of this side of the island.